Hello everyone, so here we are given a triangle ABC that is inscribed in a circle having a center at point O, and the diameter is given by line segment AC. In addition, they have provided us that AB is equals to AO of this triangle. Now they are asking us to figure out the angle BCO, that will be this guy here. Now, in order to solve this problem, let us first start with the information that is given to us that AB is equals to AO, meaning this side is equals to side AO here. Now, since we know that the center of the circle is at point O, so the distance from O to A is basically the radius of the circle. Now, if that is the case, the distance from O to B is also the radius of the circle here. Now, this means that our triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle as all the three sides are equal to one another. Now, once we have an equilateral triangle, as the side's length is equal, the angle that is opposite to these sides will also be equals to one another. Now, since all the three angles are equals to one another and we know that the sum of internal angles is equals to 180, that means that these three angles are 60 degrees each. Okay, now from that we can also figure out the angle our BOC is making. Since I have a straight line, so the sum of these two angles will be 180. So the complementary angle will become 120 degree here. Okay. Now in the problem, they're asking us to figure out angle BCO, that is this guy here. Okay. Now in order to figure out this angle, we can calculate this guy. If we are able to figure this angle out, we can do again the addition of internal angles and get the value of theta here. Now if you look at this triangle, the second one, our distance from O to C is also the radius of the circle here, and I have the radius of the circle here as well, meaning that the two sides of the triangle OCB are equals to one another. That means that the angle opposite to these sides will also be equals to one another. So our angle CBO is also equals to theta. Now, if that is the case, for the internal angles of triangle OCB, their sum will be equals to 180. So I have theta plus 120 equals to 180. If we simplify, 2 theta is equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60, and theta will be divided by 2, 30 degrees. So our angle BCO is equals to 30 degrees.